to Prime Maths by Anwar Hussain Sheikh sir. So today we are going to solve sample paper 8. As you know, every day you are getting one sample paper. So without wasting time, let's start with question number 1. See here, if sin theta equal to a by b, comma, then cos theta is equal to which option is correct? As you know that fundamental relation of trigonometry, some people have curly brown hair. In that way, sin theta equal to a by b given, which is equal to p by h. If this is the right angle triangle, here is theta, this is p b h. So Pythagoras theorem, if you use here, b square equal to h square minus p square, because here p square like this equal to a square. Pythagoras theorem. If we keep here b left side, p will go that side. Now see here, p is a, h is b. So this b is from triangle and this b is from the question. So b will be what? Square root this one. Now if we think for cos theta equal to b by h. This b value is this one, root b square minus a square by this one. You see h is b. So which option is correct here? Option C. This is the first question, important also. Look next question number 2. If 1 0 of a quadratic polynomial kx square plus 3x plus k is 2, comma, then the value of k is, see here, 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6, 6 by 5 and minus 6 by 5. This one is repeated question. You see here, sample power 7. If you watch question number 2, the same question is question number 2. So I have already solved. If you see that sample paper 7, then repeated question is this. Answer will be this one. So you watch that one, you will get the solution. Next question, number 3. Two concentric circles are of radii 10 cm and 8 cm. Then the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is. This question also I have already given in that sample paper 5, question number 12. If you look my sample paper 5 repeating question, you will get this solution, but answer will be B. I have already solved that. So I request you please watch all the sample papers. So look the next question. If the angle of depression of an object from 75 meter high tower is 30 degree, then what is the distance of the object from the tower? You see here very simply, is the tower, from here is the distance. If height is 75 meter and angle is 30, then this one is a question mark to calculate. Simply p by b is connected with tan 30, tan theta is 30 here, 75 base we don't know, tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, 75 by b cross multiple that side, b equal to 75 root 3 meter. Simply this option is number B, 75 root 3 meter. And here is 75 root 2, 75 root 3, 75, and here 75 inside the root 2.5. So that's not correct. Next question you see now. An AP starts with a positive fraction and every alternative term is an integer. If the sum of the first 11 term is 33, then the fourth term is. So for this one you see, it's given as 11 equal to 33. And then formula we know, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, 2a equal to 33. In place of n, actually you have to write 11 directly because n is 11. Now 11 by 2, 2a plus here is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10d. 10d. 33. Now if we do the cross multiple this one and this one the side, it will be 2a plus 10b equal to 33 into 2 by 11. Here 11 cancel 3, 3 into 2 6. So it will be 2a plus 10b equal to 6. Now if we divide it by 2 all the terms, we will get here a plus 5d equal to 3. It means a plus 5d, this is called 6 term. a6 equal to what? A plus 5d. So this is 6 term. a6 equal to 3. Therefore a4 will be 2. Because look the question here. 4th term they has to find here. 4th term. And every alternative fraction is an integer. Alternative fraction will be integer means if this one 3, next will be 2. Simply the answer is 2. Next question. If the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial kx square plus 2x plus 3k is equal to their product, then k is equal to, you see, sum of the zeros equal to product of the zeros is mentioned. Here you see sum equal to product. Here you see equal to. What equal to? From here. Sum of the zeros equal to product of the zeros. So sum of the zeros, you know that minus b by a. Product of the zeros is what? C by a. You can cancel here a, but let us apply the value here. Minus b is here 2, a is k. Here c is 3k, a is k. This is a. K cancel. Minus 2 by 3 equal to k. So this is the answer for this. So why is that minus 2 by 3? This is the answer for number 6. Next question. If triangle ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is midpoint of BC, ratio, full stop, ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and triangle BDE is 1:4, which one is the correct option? So here this question also is repeated. Sample paper 3, 4 and 5 you see this question is repeated 2-3 times. So simply this one is like this. This is an equilateral triangle ABC, D is midpoint. We draw here another triangle like this. This BDE like this. So area of this triangle ABC by area of triangle BDE. Here any triangle you will take root 3 by 4 side square. Here also root 3 by 4 side square. Remember this is the area of equilateral triangle. So for big one side will be BC and for small one side will be BD. If we calculate in that way, here will be root 3 by 4 cancel, side is BD, square is here, and here side will be, not BD, sorry, here BC R1, BC B1, and here is BD. Now in place of BD, what will write is half of, here BC, here will be half of BC. Then this BC cancel, half will be 4, it will go up, it means this one is 4 by 1. You see this question I have already solved twice in my previous sample paper, so you will see from there. Answer this one. Important question, that's why it is repeated. Next question you see. An observer 1.5 meter tall is 20.5 meter away from a tower 22 meter high, comma. Then the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from eye of observer is this one 45 degree. How? You see here I have already mentioned this. This is repeated from sample paper 1, question number 10. So you will watch my sample paper 1, you will get this solution. Next question you see. See question number 9. Volumes of two spheres is in the ratio, spheres are in the ratio 64:27. The ratio of their surface area is, so you see here volume is given 64 by 27. Volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and second one also same formula, 4 by 3. Only r is difference here because volume difference is radius difference. Here 64 by 27. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. Capital R by small r, cube common. Here is 8 by 3 cube. Not 8, sorry, 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 4 into 4 into 4, 64. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 3 cancel. Answer will be, you see here, r by r is 4 by 3. We get radius. Now surface area by surface area we have to calculate. It is 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. First one is capital R, second one is small r. This cancel. R by r equal to, you see here, 4 by 3. Answer is 16:9. So here answer is D. Next question. So look question number 10. If 1 by root 2 is a root of equation x square plus kx minus 5 by 4 equal to 0, then the value of k is. You look this equation here, in place of x and x we will apply 1 by root 2. So it means first one is like this, x square k x is 1 by root 2 minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. So here 1 by 2, here k by root 2. This one will convert this side, minus become plus. So here k by root 2 equal to 5, 4 minus 1 by 2. So you see here, this one go this side, 5 by 4, then this 1 by 2 take this side. Now if you take LCM here, k, it will be here 4 LCM, it is 5 minus 2, and this root 2 will go up. In that here 3 by 4 root 2. Now you see here answer is given, what you see? You see that option is not given in that way, but if you calculate here, you will get answer 2 here. Because here we have to rationalize again. This 2 is there now, going up there, that same 2 will be rationalizing. After that, after cancelling, we will get 2 answer. Next question. Volume of spherical shell is given by which formula? Spherical shell only formula. Let's see, this is sphere and the sphere. So from here to here is capital R, this is small r. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 you see here. First also not given 4 by 3. Here also no 4 by 3. Here also no 4 by 3. Only here is 4 by 3. So spherical shell, that will be the formula. Only formula you have to take this one. Next question. You see, if an event cannot occur. When cannot means we will not get. Why we will not get? What will be the probability? 0 is the probability because cannot. So look next question. When computing mean of group data, comma, we assume that the frequencies are evenly distributed over all the classes, centered at the class mark of the classes, centered at the upper limit of the classes, centered at lower limit of the classes. Now you see, while we computing mean, at a time this upper and lower we don't consider, we consider both. Simply remember that. Upper and lower cannot be answered. So that is cancelled. Now you see here even also given, even also we are not calculating. We calculate all. If you see any group data when we calculate like this, suppose here any question here class mark, we say if here number 2, 3, 4 whatever, we calculate all. We don't take only 2 and 3. So it means B is the correct option here. A is given even, B is given here not even, nothing is there, all is given here. C is upper limit, only upper limit 0 to 10 or 10 to 20. We don't take only up 1, we take down 1 also. So here given lower limit, which cannot be answered. So in that way, centered at the class mark of the classes. You may not look clearly. Centered at the class mark, here is arrow mark of the classes is the correct option. Look next question now. the probability of getting a number greater than 2 in throwing a die is greater than 2. How many number? 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 numbers. So total number is 6. 4 by 6, if we cancel, 2 by 3 will be the answer. Because greater than 2. Greater than is 4 by 6. Total number is 6. If we cancel 2 and 3. This is the answer for this. Next question. The distance of the point minus 12, 5 from the origin. Remember this question, this type of questions. From the origin if they mention, just squaring and adding this number you get answer. It means like this. Minus 12 plus 5. Calculate here 144, here 25 equal to 169 equal to 13. Simply 13. We have the long explanation for this, but remember this one for 1 mark. If like this from origin is mentioned, just that both number you will doing squaring and adding. After that root is there. Why root? Those who have completed coordinate geometry, you know that. So for this one, answer is C. Next question. ACF of two number is 27 and their LCM is 162. If one number of the this question is 54, then the other number will be which one? You see the formula here. Product of two number equal to ACF into LCM. The product of two number, one number is given 54, one number we don't know, suppose X. ACF is here ACF is 27, LCM is 162. So 27 into 162. Then here X is the number 27 into 162 by 54. You do cancelling here 81. So this answer is 81. B option correct. Next question. Assertion and reason. So every MCQ you will get two questions in that way. You see that assertion, this question number 18 here. And this one will be 19. X plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus ky minus 3 equal to 0 has no solution if k equal to 2. You see here for no solution, condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for no solution. So let's see here a1 is 1, a2 is 2, b1 is 1, b2 is k. So here not equal to c1 is what? Minus 4, c2 is minus 3. So here is what? K, if we compare with this 2, equal to 2. And here if we compare here, then here will be what? 1 by k not equal to 4 by 3. Like this. Look next part now. Reason. a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 equal to 0 are consistent if a1 by a2, then here b1 by b2. This one easy to see here, no need to calculate also. Consistent means it will intersect. No solution means it will never intersect. No need to calculate also. Consistent and no solution, no connection actually. Because consistent means it intersect at one point. No solution means never intersect. And this case 2, this is correct. So in that way, if we compare this both, here option you see B is the correct one because both assertion and reason are true, but reason R is not correct explanation of assertion A. You see here today I don't write all the words here, but similar word down there I mean. So remember this, option B is correct for number 18. After this, look next question, last question number 19. Assertion. If the outer and inner diameters of a circular path 10 meter and 6 meter, then area of the path is 16.5 meter square. Let's see for this one. Diameter is mentioned here, outer and inner is here. It is 10 and 6. It means a radius will be 10 by 2, 5, and small r will be 6 by 2, 3. Now area of path will be what? Area of path means ring, pi r square minus small r square as area of ring. So here pi r is 5, 3. If you calculate here pi 25 minus 9 equal to pi 16. It means 16 pi meter square is the answer. This is correct because it's mentioned here 16 pi meter square. If A is correct, let's see B. If R and R, I mean capital R and small r, be the radius of outer and inner circular path, then their path is this one. This one also correct or not? Yes, this is the formula we have written here. You see here formula. If formula also correct and first one calculation also correct, it means both correct. So for this one, options are same, 18 and 19. Assertion and reason, every time you will get same option. So for this question, A option is correct. Explanation also correct, the reason also is correct. So for this one, A option correct. For this one, B option is correct. So this is the next question paper. You see, sample paper 8. So same like other days, I'll request you please look, follow, share and comment my channels, and I'll hope that upcoming exams you'll be getting 100% benefited from this MCQ. So without wasting time, you please watch that sample paper, because every day you are getting less question and some questions are being repeated. And in this chapter, 2 questions is not been given here, chapter 14 and chapter 6. So other sample paper you will see which question I have uploaded from chapter 6 and chapter 14. That one is repeated, that's why it's not written here. So that's all. Thank you for today.